Hi guys! Today I want to show you how to blur a moving object in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. Make sure that your clip is already on the timeline and it is selected. Navigate to the color page and from here we need to select this icon, the window, and choose this tool curve. Make sure that you will draw nice outline around the face or the area that you want to blur. I will do rough sketch for the sake of this video, but you can take your time and do it precise. Next step is to go in the next icon, the tracker, and press track forward. In couple of seconds, DaVinci will do the job. Now go in the next icon, blur, and bump up the radius all the way. This doesn't look so good and you can see the edge. So go back to window and on this side in softness outside just increase it up to your liking. So let's review it now. And that's how easy it is to blur a moving object. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.